workout number 6, which is high knees. Again, get your feet shoulder width apart, get those knees up in the air. If you want to tap them, that's great. If you want to put your hands up and give it a target, you can do that as well. That's number 1. Number 2, crunches. We're going to go in and go down on our bottoms. Our knees are elevated, about feet shoulder width apart. I want you to put your hands behind your neck, down, up. That's crunches. Frog jumps. We're going to go a little bit wider than our shoulders and our hips. We're going to go down in all fours and pop up like a frog. Frog jumps. Then we got twisted lunges. So you are going to lunge forward and then twist and then switch. Okay, I want your knee to almost hit the floor, but not quite. I don't want you guys banging your knee on the floor. You're going to hurt yourself. Next one, we have kneelers. So you're going to want to be on a soft carpet, or if you have a mat of some sort, you're going to go into a reverse lunge. You're going to go backwards with your right leg, left leg, right foot kicks back up, left leg kicks back up. You're going to do that back and forth. Those are called kneelers. That's going to focus on your glutes. And last but not least, as I mentioned to you guys, are high knees. Okay, stay tuned, get your water ready, get your towel ready, because this is going to be an intense workout. High knees, get them up. Remember, 30 seconds, everything you got for 30 seconds for each exercise. Move on to the next one, so crunches. Make sure your head touches the floor. If you need to go slower, go slower. Working on that core today. Moving on, number three. We got frog jumps. Squat down, get low, hop up. Go, keep going. Drop that bottom. Even if you don't go high off the ground, modify it, go on your toes. Go on your toes as high as you can. Frog jumps. Drop that bottom. Next one, let's go, twisted lunges. Oh, it's burning. I feel it. Y'all get tired? You just gotta keep going. Keep pushing. Make sure you twist that body. All right, we got kneelers. Drop that knee down. If you want to try your right or left, it's up to you. You can reverse it if you feel comfortable doing your left or right. It's up to you. It's up to you. Your legs feel on fire like fire. Keep going. You're almost there. All right, high knees, let's go, last one. So you're sweating, you're doing the work. Keep working hard. Until next time. Take care.